So, what are your decoration plans for Christmas? Have you ever thought of decorating your chandelier? If not, this video is for you. Hi, it's Christmas. This is Ejiro of Ejiro Celebrations, a floral and event design company. Here on this channel, we give you wedding planning tips, floral and event design, inspiration, and of course DIY party decoration. So today, I'm going to be sharing with you how to create a Christmas chandelier. So please stay tuned. This Christmas chandelier, we are going to be using ornaments of your choice. In this case, I'm going to be using shades of blue and white and some silver. A Christmas garland from the store brand, any store brand that you can find. I'm using artificial in this case. I'm going to be using some picks. I have picks in white, Christmas picks in white and silver. And then at the end, we're going to dangle some ornaments. So I still have some further ornaments to dangle down to make it glam and interesting. So to start off, I'm going to go ahead and put my garland around my chandelier. So now that we have put the garland and I'm happy with it after flexing the stems, we're going to go ahead and put my picks. I have only 5 of these, so I'm going to focus it on each line. What do you think? Christmassy, beautiful, all shades of blue chandelier. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. If you like this video, please subscribe, share with your friends, and don't forget to look down in the description below. I have 2 other videos showing different kinds of chandeliers. So have a Merry Christmas and thank you for watching.